We are going to be painting some Kandinsky circles, inspired by the artist Wassily Kandinsky. You're going to start by writing your name, your seat number, and the day of the week. Then you can turn your paper over. We're going to start by folding our paper. You're going to fold it in half, one side to the other side. Think like a book. Once you have those corners matched up, you can use your finger to press down that middle. Have your fingers run from top to bottom. Open it once you are done. This time, we're going to fold our paper up. Take the bottom of your paper, match it with the top, and once it's completed, rub those fingers along the edges. Now you will see that we have a folded T. We have 4 rectangles. Now we need our messy mat. We'll have our paintbrushes, our water, and our tempera cakes paint. We are going to start in one of our rectangles. I'm going to start by using a smaller brush to show you. I get my brush wet, I wipe it on the lip so it doesn't drip, and now I want to get my brush super juicy with one of my colors. I'm going to start with the yellow. So I take my brush, I don't smush and smash, I have it go round and round. Keep those hairdos nice and neat. You want it super juicy. You want to see that color in those bristles. Sometimes you need a little extra water. Make a circle in the middle of that rectangle space. Make sure it's filled all the way in. Once you are happy with your circle, you can clean your brush. Press, press, turn, press, press, turn, press, press, turn until your brush is clean. Then you're going to wipe it on the lip so it doesn't drip. No tapping, because that can splatter your paint and get all over your paper. Now I'm going to try another color. Get it nice and juicy, and I'm going to have that circle go right around my first circle. Let it hug. No gaps in between. I'll clean my brush again, get another color, and I'm going to keep filling that rectangle space with circles. You can have them thicker, you can have them thinner. It is really up to you. Here I'm adding a nice thick circle, and then I'll fill it all the way in. Careful not to go outside those edges. As you finish up the space, I made sure I completed that rectangle space and did lines to fill it in. Now I'm going to clean my brush, and I'm going to start in another rectangle, adding the circle in the center. This time I'm going to make that circle a little larger. I'm going to use a larger brush to show you because it just depends on which style of brush you have. For this section, I'm going to try some different colors. So I'm going to start with a blue, and I'm going to do a larger circle in the center to start. I make sure I get it juicy and I fill that circle all the way in. Each rectangle shape should have different colors in it. So you'll see I'll start to do more in each space. I will complete these steps for every single one until I have my whole paper completed. And there we have our Kandinsky circles.